guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here. It's very fall. It's my kind of fall. Some people like to wear yellows and oranges. I like to wear the very dark deep lip and a little bit of a smoky eye. Y'all know I like my smoky eyes. Yes I can do more than smoky eyes, but I just love how they look. No contacts today. I love how greens look against brown eyes, so I decided to rock the naturals today. This wig you've already seen on my channel. It's the 7x7 closure from Barry's Hair, and the bundles are from Ali Julia Hair. I'll leave the link up here in the cards and down below in the description box if you want to know more about it. But if you want to know how I got this eye look, then keep on watching. So to do this look, I used the MORPHE 35M Boss Mood palette, but I filmed this look about a week ago, and of course I did not write down what shades I used out of this palette, so I'm just going to wing it. So I'm pretty sure for my transition colored, I used the shade Play It Cool and Nutude. And then to build up the outer corner of my eye and to pretty much give me the entire shape of this look, I went in with Green with Envy. And then to deepen up the outer corner, I probably mixed Black Magic with a little bit of Sparks Fly. And then for the sparklies that you see, I went in with the shade Bold Moves and Pop Star. So I'm really sorry that I don't have the shades popping up on the screen like I usually do with my videos, but I completely forgot, I guess. So yeah, this is just your typical smoky eye. I do these a lot, but like I said in the beginning, I love doing smoky eyes. I love how they look on my eye shape. Now I do have a cutie break coming up, so definitely stay tuned. But like I said, if you have this palette, you can easily get this look.
Spent. It's sweet corn. Better than a stinking old blackbird like you deserves. One of them answered roughly. You get down to our field now and take these sneaks and stabbers with you, or we'll stake you up in the corn to scare the other crows away.
Bye, lady.
Some of them are cut up bad, and one's dying from the sound of him. With all the noise he was making, I got right up.
My kid is so cute. I think this is the first time you guys have seen her since I posted that video saying I even had a kid. She's 16 months now, and she loves watching mommy put on her makeup and her wigs. So yeah, maybe you guys will see her in another video. I tend to, you know, cut her out because, you know, I don't want my business all out there like that, but she's just so cute! And if you're curious what that audio was in the background, I am currently listening to the Game of Thrones audiobooks, and I think I'm on the second book, Clash of Kings. So yeah, I plan on listening to all of those before the series comes out on DVD. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this look. I'm just deepening out the outer corner, put on the shimmer shades, put on my mascara, and yeah. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me, and I hope to see you in the next one.